Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to my channel Shine with Pranoti. I am Pranoti Nahar and today we are going to discuss everything about skincare. Now, who doesn't want to have a nice and flawless skin? Yes, of course, we all desire to have that problem free, healthy skin. But in today's generation, where there is so much pollution out there, we definitely tend to have some breakouts and few skin issues. But if a proper skincare regime is followed, we can definitely achieve that flawless skin. So, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So when we speak about skincare, there are three major things that needs to be taken care of. Okay, so the first thing is internal skincare. The second thing we are going to speak about is external skincare, and the third thing is hygiene. So now in internal skincare, the first and very important thing is staying hydrated. Yes, of course, we have heard about it so many times, but we definitely, it happens with us like we forget to drink water. But a human body needs at least 2.5 liters of water on daily basis to stay hydrated. Staying hydrated not only gives you a glowing skin, but keeps your body internally very healthy. Now, if you're a person like me who usually forgets to have water, I have a small trick for you. Whenever you go to washroom, make sure you come out and go straight into the kitchen and have a glass of water. This way you'll definitely achieve that target. And even if this trick doesn't help you, there are so many apps available in the Play Store which will actually remind you to have water. So you can use that. So the second important thing is, guys, having a balanced diet and a balanced lifestyle. So when we talk about having a balanced diet, try to include a lot of green vegetables, try to include a lot of salads are really important, guys. And make sure you have at least 1 cup of green tea, because green tea, I know it tastes really better, but it is very good for your skin. Now, having a balanced lifestyle, what does that mean? Guys, make sure that you are always staying away from addiction. Make sure that you don't drink, you don't smoke, because smoking leads to an aging very fast, so that can damage your skin. So please stay away from all the addiction. Third important thing is exercise. Guys, exercising is very important. So if you're a person who do a lot of physical work and actually assume that you are doing workout, guys, no, that is not the thing. Doing a physical work is different and having a workout is a completely different thing. Working out is a major thing that needs to be done to have a nice skin. You can do anything that makes you feel good. You can do Zumba, you can do aerobics, yoga, and anything that makes you feel good. So moving on to the second part, which is external skincare. The basic regime that I personally follow is CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. This is very basic in skincare, guys, but very important, as I always say. So the first thing is cleansing your tone. Like first thing in the morning when you wake up, make sure that you clean your face with a nice cleanser, because when we wake up after like 6 to 8 hours of sleep, there is a lot of oil generated on your face. You can actually touch your nose and peak points of your face where sweat is generated. So make sure that you clean your face. Now when it comes to cleaning, if you're a person who has a lot of oily skin, make sure that you wash your face at least 4 to 5 times in a day, because whenever the oil is generated, that needs to be washed off, right? Now if you're a person who has dry skin, make sure that you use a soap free face wash. Now what does that mean? Soap free face wash are those face wash which do not lather up too much, because if it lathers up, it will actually remove the oil from your face. So make sure that you use a soap free face wash. So the second thing is toning. Make sure that you use a nice toner after face wash. Once you're done washing your face, just pat dry your skin and apply a nice toner. When it comes to me, I use rose water as a toner. I have been using the rose water from a really long time and it works for me, guys. So second thing, as I say, apply toner. So when you apply a toner, let it dry naturally. So after 2 to 3 minutes, when the toner is dried, you apply a nice layer of moisturizer. Keeping moisture on your face is really important, so make sure you use a nice moisturizer and apply it just after using a toner. One more important thing in external skincare: exfoliating your skin. Now, when we say exfoliate your skin, you don't need to be very harsh on your skin. You just need to take a little amount of scrub in your hands, rub it on your hands, and put a little amount of scrub on your face and give it a circular motion massage. You don't need to be very rash. You don't need to be very fast on your skin, but just massage your skin for just 2 minutes and wash it off. And you will definitely see the difference on your face. But guys, don't do it daily. Do it twice in a month. Like once in a week is also okay if you're very used to scrubbing, but if you're doing it for the first time, use a scrub with 15 days within 15 days. Okay. Third important thing is using a SPF. Guys, ultraviolet rays are present outside from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and they definitely harm your skin. So whenever you're going to step out of the house, make sure you apply a good sunscreen at least 20 minutes before stepping out. And also with that, make sure you cover your face with a scarf, and whenever you use a scarf, make sure that it is at a very light color scarf, or most preferred is a white color scarf. And you need to cover your face so that it doesn't hit your face directly, and that is how you can protect your skin from getting damaged from those UV rays. Moving on to the third important thing is hygiene. This is very basic, guys. So what we can speak in hygiene is make sure that you wear clothes according to the weather. Try to wear cotton clothes which are not too tight on your body, because if you wear tight clothes, it can actually give you rashes. You can feel itching on your body. So make sure that you don't use very tight clothes. When it is summer, guys, make sure that you wash your body at least 2 times. Like, not at least, it is compulsory to wash yourself. Have a nice bath 2 times in a day, because whenever we sweat and that sweat is getting deposited on your body, and if you don't clean it, it can lead to many skin problems like itching, fungal infection, and many more, guys. So make sure that in summer you have bath 2 times. Do not let the dust deposit on your face, on your body. Like, make sure that you're washing your face, you're washing your hands. And right now we are facing this global pandemic, coronavirus, so make sure that you keep washing your hands. And there is one more important thing while washing your hands is, like, these days we have been advised to wash our hands, but washing our hands too many times can let your hands to be very dry. So there is one more tip you can actually use. Like, when you are done washing your hands and you know that for next half an hour or 1 hour you're not going to do anything, that time apply a nice moisturizer. So let that moisture be there on your hands and it does not get too much dried out. That's it for now, guys. I think we have covered a lot of things today, but I will definitely come with new videos on skincare. But if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, guys.